Nandito pala ako ngayon no, sa KCC Mall di Zamboanga. Mag-attend ako ng stock market seminar ni Bo Sanchez. Kasi isa to sa influencer na pinapanood ko sa Facebook and YouTube. So na-inspired ako sa mga niya, sa mga words niya, inspirations, ganyan. Nagpo-post yung mga page ni Bo Sanchez. So maganda yan din yung vision niya. Sabi niya kasi gusto niya maging mayaman ng mga good people. So good people is rich. So lalo ako sa mga value na binibigay, yung mga advices, yung mga sa YouTube at sa Facebook videos, yung mga yung daily video niya, ginagawa about God, about Bible verse, ganyan. So, na-inspired ako kay Mr. Bo Sanchez. Pati dito sa counter yan ang insurance na dito sa counter pala siya ng yung financial insurance na siya. Ito yung mga book Bo Sanchez. Mr. Bo Sanchez.
Correct. 2022. And now we're back here. We want to create a community for you. So we're going to get to know your fellows in this community. So please stand. Everybody, pwede mo bang tumayo-tayo na ha? Are there introverts in the house? May mga shy type po ba dito?
Pinabok sila. Deserve na kung walk in.
Everybody. Thank you so much, and officially welcome to our How to Make Millions in the Stock Market seminar. Just a few reminders before we meet Brother Bo for the first time today. Who's meeting him for the first time today? Hello! And are you excited to learn from him? Yes!
Can I invite you to stand up? And I want you to... How many of you want to learn 10 times more today? We have among our employees already for about, 13, 14 years, a Muslim brother. He works for me for the past 13, 14 years. So this is a divine appointment. Agree, disagree? I believe that before you were born, this was already there. That you're supposed to be here and you're going to hear something that's going to bless your life. So yes, we're going to talk about finances, designing your environment so that it pushes you towards success. That is the almost kind of like strategy towards success, shortcut to success. I love sharing this. Ask me why? Humahaba na ang buhay ng tao ngayon. You can live until 90. Do you need money when you're 80 years old?
Pasayan ako ng books kay Sir Bo. Siya kasi yung author. 3 books yung nabili ko sa kanya. Yung isa free lang yan. Ang galing. After niya nag-shine, siyempre, pa-picture na ako sa kanya.
We have less than 2% interest in this office. That's how it's kasi Pilipinas, may crisis sa panalo. Right? So this is the problem. So I'll show you some of the speculative issues. May crypto and all these things. Then, invest for the long term. Kaya sinabi ni brother mo kanina, it takes only 15 minutes of your time. Don't complicate your life. Focus on your work. Focus on your business.
Pagkatapos ni Sir Edward Lee mag-talk, so nabigyan tayo ng opportunity na makausap sa in-person. So naghingi ako ng advice sa kanya. So ito yung advice niya. So isa pala to sa founder si Sir Edward ng Call Financial sa stock market. So billionaire na to, grabe no. So matututo tayo sa advice niya. Sabay-sabay tayo.
Punan mo yung personality pag salesman ka dapat. Di ba? Kasi wala kang punan eh. So you start as a salesman. Di ba? You distribute ka ng produkto. Then be responsible, be ethical. Give the customer the best product and the best service. And over time, compounding effect din. Diba? Ako na ganoon eh. Salesman lang din. Hanggang ngayon, salesman pa rin. Di ba? On the financial side. Ang tawag sa akin, CEO, Chief Entertaining Officer. Ang entertain lang ang entertain.
Okay, nagka-serve din sa mga
finances, investments. So, before I go to my topic, I want to do a little experiment. Can I ask? One is not from TRC, not from COL. You can get it online. From IMF, International Monetary Fund, talking about this.
Ayan, pagkatapos ng seminar, nakausap ko rin yan si Sir Marco Victoria, yung speaker ngayon. So medyo matagal-tagal ang aming pag-uusap. Ano pala siya? Fluent pala mag-Bisaya? Gusto ko Bisaya, Rami. Galing na, ano na siya, 31 branches ng business niya, tuna, restaurant, tuna, grilled, ganyan. Galing.
And I just want to say thank you for joining us today. I do have one last thing to tell you. May I? There are two futures in front of you. Dalawang kinabukasan. The first future is very painful. This is a true story. Si Lola lives with her daughter already because she cannot support herself.
I say congratulations. Thank you for being here. Yes. And have a great weekend, everyone.
Tapos na ang seminar, uwi na tayo.